Beth am gynne tan fel y tan yn llun. Beth am gynne tan fel y tan yn llun. Tan yn ein calon a than yn ein gwaith. Tan yn ein crefydd a than dros ein hiaith.
Hello guys, today we will take a look at 6 interesting things about Wales. Let's go. Number 1. More sheep than humans. Wales is a somewhat small West European country and its human population is over 3 million inhabitants. But what is so interesting is that the food they eat actually outnumbers the population. A survey conducted in 2012 shows that 8.9 million sheep and lambs live in the countryside. Sheep serve as an important part in Wales' economy. Number 2. Longest place name in the world. Is a large village next to the Britannian Bridge. Around 3,040 people live in the community. Although it's been given many different easier names, the long version is comprised of 58 characters and 51 letters. It is officially recognized as the longest place name in the United Kingdom and among the largest in the world as well. In English, it means the Church of Mary in a hollow of a white hazel near the fierce whirlpool and the Church of Tisilio by the Red Cave.
Llanfair Pwll Gwingis go gerrych chwyrn drobl Llantysilio go go go.
Llanfair Pwll Gwingis go gerrych chwyrn drobl Llantysilio go go go.
You've got to be kidding.
Number 3. Sports in Wales. Rugby is one of the most enjoyed of all sports in Wales, with football or soccer acting as a very close rival in terms of popularity. Golf is another sport often played in Wales. This is more unique to the country than the majority of Europe. The country is home to over 200 courses and had hosted the Ryder Cup at the Celtic Manor Resort in one of the largest sporting events. Number 4. Famous people from Wales. Colonel Sir George Everest was born in July 4, 1790 in Crickhowell in Wales. He was a British surveyor and geographer who served as a Surveyor General of India from 1830 to 1843. He is best known for having Mount Everest, the highest mountain on earth, named in his honor. Other famous people from Wales includes movie actor Christian Bale, singer Tom Jones, movie actress Catherine Zeta-Jones, movie actor Anthony Hopkins, and soccer player Gareth Bale. Number 5. The coolest flag. Wales has one of the coolest and most interesting flags in all of Europe. It features the Dragon of Coldwater, a Welsh king from the 7th century, along with the Tudor colors of green and white. The oldest known use of the dragon to represent Wales is from Historia Brittonum, written around 828. The red dragon is popularly believed to have been the battle standard of King Arthur. And number 6. Welsh Language. The 2 official languages of Wales are English and Welsh. English is the primary official language able to be used in all situations, whereas Welsh only has official status in limited but significant situations as defined by legislation. Welsh is a Brittonic language of the Celtic language family. It is spoken natively in Wales by some in England and in the Welsh colony of Chubut Province, Argentina, historically. Around 29% of Wales residents are able to speak Welsh and about 16% of Wales residents speak Welsh daily. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.